My first love was such a wonder. We were young and still so pure. That memory lives on with me, of that you can be sure. And in my heart there is a special place where you and I still go. Now I found you and I'm reaching out, because I want you to know our lives moved on and so did we, one chapter at a time. And although we're far apart, you sometimes tiptoe through my mind. So don't forget our friends of old, our schools and summer days. Those good times flew away like birds. Remember them that way. Our first kiss down by the swimming hole, the walks down to the store, the movie shows, trips to the snow, our friendship rings and more. It all seems like it was a dream, because the world was on a string. And although it didn't last for long, I wouldn't change a thing. But life moves on and so did we, one chapter at a time. And although we're far apart, you sometimes drift across my mind. So don't forget the times you held my hand, our song in summer days. Those good times flew away like birds. Remember them that way. And fond reflection, I can still recall the way you used to laugh, the comic books and silly looks, those fragments of the past. Can I forget the day we cried because you had to move away? The day my heart had lost its wings, I remember it that way. But life moves on and so did you, one chapter at a time. And although we're still apart, you're always on my mind. So don't forget the words you said on that endless summer day, when good times flew away like birds. Remember them that way. Let's not forget the creeks and fields we roamed, and learn how lovers play. Without regret, I still recall forever and a day these cherished moments in our hearts, the awkward stops and starts, our puppies and our puppy love remain my favorite parts. So here's to broken promises, the vows we used to share, the ghosts of things that could have been, they haunt me everywhere. Let's not forget the creeks and fields we roamed, and learned how lovers play. Without regret, I still recall forever and a day these cherished moments in our hearts, the awkward stops and starts, our puppies and our puppy love remain my favorite parts. So here's to broken promises, the vows we used to share, the ghosts of things that could have been, they haunt me everywhere.